PowerPoint is not just for slides packed with bullet points. It is also equipped with a robust set of tools for editing images, including a powerful cropping feature. Now with this, you can frame your message and drawing the viewer's attention to the most important aspects of your slide. So to start, open up Microsoft PowerPoint presentation in your screen, select your image, and then the Picture Format tab will appear. Now you have to click on the crop option within its tab to activate cropping mode. You will see black crop handles appear around the edge of your image. So you have to click and drag these handles to adjust the crop area. Then as you adjust, aim for a composition that supports the slide's message. Now this might mean zooming in on a subject or excluding irrelevant background details. But if you need a custom shape to crop, you can also do that by clicking on your chosen image, then navigate to the Picture Format tab, then from there, click on the Crop drop-down menu, then select Crop to Shape. You can choose from a wide array of shapes like ovals, circles, stars, arrows, and more. So after selecting a shape, you can adjust the position and scale by clicking and dragging the crop handles. To customize it further, after selecting your image, click on the Crop tool in the Picture Format tab. Then, choose Aspect Ratio from the drop-down list. Then select either the standard 4:3 or widescreen 16:9 ratios for presentations or another option that suits your needs. Now resize and adjust your image within the crop frame as needed by dragging the edges. But if your image does not sit correctly within the cropped area, you can try to offset it. All you have to do is right-click on the image, choose Format Picture, then click the picture icon. Now you can adjust the offset X for horizontal shifts and offset Y for vertical ones. Now this will position the image where you want it within the frame. Now those are the ways on how you can perfectly crop images in your PowerPoint presentation. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.